everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and this is the video for the long-awaited Vincennes home. Here she is, a customer creation. Shout out to Dustin and Destiny for trusting me to build their home. This baby turned out beautiful. The largest we make, 32 by 76, 2,305 square feet. And this customer wanted to go with the black trimmed out looks without breaking the bank, right? So the way that you guys need to do that, this is how you do it. You add Brunswick siding. That's an upgraded 4.5-inch Dutch lap siding. When I say that, that means that's how tall the slats are. Go for the blacked out fascia at the top. That's the trim edge there. Your soffit, your drip edge, all the things black. Black roof on top. If I was taller, you could see, but I'm 5'2". And then add some black shutters to it to finish out the look. That's the way to still maintain the blacked out trim look without adding black windows, because these black windows can cost you a little bit, especially in a large house like this. So in all my years, I've built some Vincennes, but I've never gotten a video. This is a very popular floor plan. It's got a summit kitchen, a Serenity shower, and boy, am I excited to show you guys. Let's go inside. And funny story, some people were here this weekend, and the only question they had, this is Mike and Rosie, his mom wanted to know, how does this little girl get up and in those homes? Well, I got a step ladder, that's all. Here we go, walking into the living room. Let me back up just a little bit. We've got drywall, and this might look a little bit funny to you guys because look at the bottom. We don't have any trim at the bottom. And the reason that we did that, well, the reason the customer did that, we did it because they wanted us to, is because they wanted to add their own solid hardwood trim. And I think that's going to be a beautiful feature. When we get into the kitchen, you're going to see just how beautiful all the woodwork is for them. Heading over here to the left, and of course, whenever we ship a home, we're going to have all of the packing and installation materials on a piece of plastic in the living room. Let me take my shoes off. I don't want to dirty up their house. Coming into the primary bedroom. When you guys go 32 wide, man, let me tell you, you get a very large bedroom. It just feels different. And by the way, come visit me here at the factory. I'll take you inside at 28 versus a 32. And you will also agree that it's just a game changer. You got more elbow room and feels more like a stick-built home, right? Because it has a more square box size to it. Now, when we do our window jambs, those are complete fixtures. So we pop the window jambs in. We've already got the windows in, so we couldn't ship that trim loose. So if you guys ever want to do your trim ship loose, we'll ship the bottom trim loose, but we got to keep the window jambs and the door jambs. Here we go. We've got perimeter heat. Whoop, that means we've got the registers right down the side here on the inside perimeter of the wall. And I got to do some crawling today, so I'm going to start, stop, and take you in the other rooms. So on the front half of the home, I just came from the living room. So when you walk into the living room, it's going to be wide open to the kitchen and a second living room. But in the same side of the home, we're going to have all of the bedrooms. So taking a peek inside this window, or this piece of plastic, we've got bedroom number 4. Now let me jump on down further. Okay, still on the same side of the house, just came down just a little bit further. This is going to be a hallway that will be attached to the family room. Here comes bedroom number 3. With a bathroom in the middle. And the nice thing about this bathroom is we've got a separate area for washing your hands. So the sink is separated from the tub shower combination. 019 over the commode linen. Not linen. Toilet. 019 over the commode, yes, to store toilet paper. Bedroom number 2, get it together, Christina. Here's something else that's very interesting to know. We can omit your wire shelving if you want us to, but according to the HUD building code, we have to have at least 12 inches of shelving installed to be able to meet the code. So there we go with the front half, which is going to have the living room and all the bedrooms. Let's go take a look at the good stuff. Okay, so here we are opposite of the living room when you first walk into the door, you're gonna be walking right in and facing their Summit kitchen. And boy, did they do a good job on these colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now the Summit kitchen is the only kitchen you can get the solid surface countertops, available only in a Hamilton pattern, which if you look closely, the specs in here pull out that Timberwolf cabinet perfectly. Over here, also, Destiny did a very beautiful job because not only did she pull out the brown specs, she also pulled out the gray with her backsplash. So we took the tile all the way up behind the hood, added a gas stove, and part of the Summit kitchen is this very large corner pantry. Drawers over doors. There we go. And they also did a drywall package, so you're gonna see a valance board there. Also part of the Summit kitchen, you're gonna have a microwave tower with your microwave built right in, 2 pot and pan drawers, and a convenience cab. I've even seen in the past where people have put a plug-in in there. And then they also added a black stainless steel package. Beautiful. Now, when you do lino throughout, there's not much of a separation that you can see between the dining area, except you know it is because you've got the patio door here. And then you have a second family room here also. And on the other end of this, the other side of this, you saw when I went into bedroom, let's see, it would have been bedroom 3 and 2, that there was a little bit of a hallway there. So coming right off of the family room, you're gonna have bedroom 2, 3, and 4. Boom, excuse me, 2, bathroom 3, 4. Straight ahead, you've got a linen closet. And the utility room coming right off of the side. So you do have a side entrance. Easily you could attach a garage. We added a sink over here. And your washer dryer area is over here. Nice, big, spacious utility room. And then what is this baby gonna be? There's the water heater. Over here's the furnace. So this must be a linen closet. All right, let's talk colors. Aged European oak on the floor, Timberwolf on the cabinets, gypsum drywall, just a primer drywall there, black cabinet handles, Lysola on the countertops, ice on the backsplash, and so she kept her bathrooms and utility room for the Formica is black and pulled out with the black handles. Very, very beautiful job designing this home. Has been some of my favorite customers to work with. My name is Christina. I'm the mobile home mama. I'm also the general manager at the Champion Homes Retail Center, where you can buy direct from the factory. Save yourself thousands of dollars. We've got construction loans where you can be your own general contractor and cut out the middleman. Give me a call, put you in a very nice hotel for a factory tour, and we'll talk about the ins and outs of building your new home. As always, thanks for watching.